So, as we have discussed in the introduction also कि अक्टूबर 1917 में जो इवेंट्स हुए that is basically recognized as the Russian Revolution that we have discussed in the previous part of the chapter. Yes. So now we will see कि what exactly changes after the October Revolution. पहला, so Bolshevik party जो थी that was from the starting they was in the opposed to the private property. Yes, so वो हो गया. देन जो वॉल्सविक का दूसरा एक था कि दिस जो इंडस्ट्रीज और बैंक्स हैं दैट शुड बी nationalized. So 1900 by the 1970 that is done. Now land was declared as the social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. Now Bolshevik enforced the partition of large houses according to families and banned use of old title. So for that new uniform were designed for army officials and they conducted the election to the Constituent Assembly but failed to gain majority support. So in the 1918 Assembly rejected Bolshevik measures and Lenin dismissed the Assembly. Bolshevik become only party to participate in the election to all Russian Congresses. Now after that, Russian became one party state. That is, trade unions were kept under party control. The secret police punished those who criticized Bolshevik. So देखो later on हुआ क्या actually कि Bolshevik ना एक बहुत ही strict form में again those were not in the support of the Bolshevik. Yes, they were to be punished. Many young writers and artists railed to party against the party, but it stood for socialism and change. And this led to experiment in the arts and architecture, but disillusioned because of the censorship encouraged by party. Now the civil war. Now again this is one of the very important part of this chapter. So civil war basically क्या है? When the Russian army broke, when Bolshevik ordered land distribution, non-Bolshevik socialists जो थे, liberals and supporters of autocracy condemned the Bolshevik uprising. And during the time period of 1918 to 1919, the Greens, that is the socialist revolutionaries, and the Whites, that is pro-Tsarist, yes, controlled most of the Russian empire backed by French and American, British and Japanese troops. Now civil war took place between these troops and Bolshevik. Now the supporter of private property among White took steps with peasants who seized land. And these such actions led to the loss of support of non-Bolshevik by the 1920. So the Bolshevik controlled most of the Russian Empire and they succeeded due to the cooperation with non-Russian nationalism and Muslim jihadists. So the Bolshevik colonists massacred local nationalists in the name of defending socialism in the Central Asia. Many were confused about Bolshevik government. Most non-Russian nationalists were given political autonomy in the Soviet Union, that is USSR, yes, and combined with unpopular policies that Bolshevik forced the local government to follow. Yes, after that we can see a socialist society was forming. Yes, how? Because Bolshevik permitted peasants to cultivate the land that is socialized. A process of centralized planning was introduced by the Bolshevik. Official assessed working of economy and set target for 5-year period and hence 5-year plan were made. Yes, government ने क्या किया? फिर they started fixing all prices to promote industrial growth and leading to economic growth. Now the industrial production increased, new factories in the cities were set up. However, rapid construction led to poor working condition of the workers. So देखो ultimately जिस चीज़ के लिए Bolshevik party काम कर रही थी about for the workers, that problem is still remaining. So an extended schooling system were developed, yes, and arrangements were made for the factory workers, even the peasants. Now, creches were established in the factories, cheap public health care was provided, and model living quarter was set up for workers. So, see, these were the steps that was taken by वॉल्सविक पार्टी टू सपोर्ट दी वर्कर्स, ताकि उनकी जो कंडीशन ख़राब हो रही है दैट नहीं। अब देखो, वॉल्सविक पार्टी के अब तक लीडर थे लेनिन। यस, so period of plant economy. So in the next part we will be discussing this Stalinism and collectivization. Okay everyone.